Fuck no, leg off of me now, man. I want to take a girl, yeah, man. Leg off
Beat
of
him
me
up.
now,
Tell
man.
him to mind him picky. The picky are 7 years old and they
Leg
never
off
buy
of
my
me. Let
shoes.
me wash the car.
At first,
And
me
I
I
come
see
to him
this.
today, I tell him saying to give me $2,200
I'm
for
saying
to
me
buy
don't
a
have
suit
it.
for him. He might come tell me,
I'm
say,
saying me don't
at
have it.
Christmas,
Me don't have it.
he want a shoes
Me
and he
don't
want
have it.
a pants.
Me don't have it.
And if you put your hand for me one more time, I see
Ah, leg off of me. Leg off of me now, man.
take out the dead code out of your
Leg
pocket.
off of me now, man. Leg off of me now, man. Fuck me, leg off of me, man. Leg off of me now, man.
Yeah.
Leg off of me now, man.
And you love it, sir.
Leg off of me, man. Embarrassment, yeah. Watch it, man. Leg off.
You know
Yo,
embarrassment?
leg off of me, man. Leg off of me.
You
Yo.
know embarrassment?
Who am I married to, you know?
Chop blood, please, man. Yo, leg off of me now, man. Come here, beg you for leg off of me, man.
You know video me a beat him.
Oh, boy.
Embarrassment is a one.
I'm not mind him beat me.
Leg off of me now,
Hey,
man.
me have a
His
show.
son a 7 years old and he never buy my shoes yet.
Leg off of
And
me
I
now,
come
man.
and tell him say at Christmas, he pick me one pants
next
and
time
one
me take
shoes.
a man.
He might come tell me about him and give me $500. $500 for
Yeah,
do
me
what?
now. Yeah, me now.
Go a rare rare now.
What kind of time is this?
You really have a meeting, my son? I can't wait till you get later.
Me and him no live. I mean, I let him go to tell him to
You
go
call
to
him
this
over
school
later,
and give me
man.
the money.
Yeah.
Call him over later.
Yeah.
Make sure they meet, make sure they eat.